Alright, this is the elevator at 2937 Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota, Florida. Let's see what we have. There's the machine room. Looks like we have impulse. ThyssenKrupp impulse, yeah. Two. Okay, I was kind of expecting an older elevator, but this looks neat and smooth. No door buzz. So there's a look up the shaft. Here's your look out. There's your inner lock. And again, like the one at my school, it says 1967. That's pretty weird. The panel's a little bit loose. It looks like it was literally taped shut. This isn't good, but yeah, here's your cab view. This kind of reminds me of the Dover, Miami impulse at the Sarasota County Tax Collectors. They filmed like a month back. Fixtures. We're gonna listen to the machine room. Alright. And that'll be it.